Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create a cards section within your website. So you can simply add the simple div class here, and then class should be card, and we will definitely add a section over here. Actually we need to add a simply image with the name of cards section, and then we need to add container, and then add row, and then add some columns, which is column D4 static 3, and within that we need to add a card class, and within the image tag, within the card we need the image tag, and then add a plus sign with the div, actually the card body, and then we will simply add the h5 with the class of card title, and then we will simply add the actually next to paragraph, and then card text, and then add a hyperlink next to with the name of btn and btn primary. You can hit enter. Simply we do not use a space. So here we have created our section with the card section, and card container with the row and column D, which we have three times, and then card, and pass a image, and next to have the card body. You can simply generate your each section by using images. If you don't see my image tutorial, you can go to my YouTube channel and find the image series, so you are able to create your own image. So here we have add some classes with the trendy app icon. This is actually not the app icon. Let me add a image which is already defined. We have added a image within that, this one, so that will be very helpful to show you the exact card which have the image. So I'm gonna add a image with the name of exact image that we have added into our image folder, and now we have added a Play Store banner, and we can also add over here. You can add multiple images into your any of your card. So now I'm gonna add some text into my card. So in the heading 5 we can simply select 3 headings and paste into the, and now we have some paragraphs here, and then select these 3 by clicking the Control D, which we have provide you the facility of multiple selections. For example, if I have selected this one and this one and this one, like with the using command D and then command D, so you have selected your 3 tags within a section. You can simply add hashtag sign, because we don't want to um, go to the uh, we didn't want to um, send you send our user into another file or maybe page. So that's why we need to add a hash sign. So, we need to add simply share button in the primary. Let me show you the results that we have created. Actually, our image will not be present exactly because we did not use a bootstrap um, responsive class into our images. So we will add a image fluid over here, image fluid, which will make our image responsive. So here we have created our three cards, and if you want to see the um, desktop view, you can simply expand your browser with. So that is how you can create your cards, and now I'm going to customize them for your instance. So we need to add a custom file into our custom.sas with the name of cards.scss, and then we can add a card class, which is actually we can simply remove the blue color from the background of our section. So we can simply remove this one and save this one, and add a simple, actually this is for the nav, and we have the cards and styles, and we will import this into our bootstrap styles.scss, and cards should have the css class. So if you did not set up your grunt SAS, you can watch out my grunt tutorial and the SAS tutorials. So for you can easily understand that how we are creating this import, and here is our bootstrap, and customize them, and now we will create the we can style them, and then go to the browser that we have removed our background here and now we will just make a font size bigger than this, so we can just simply go to the cards.scss and then add a card body, and then add a h5 with the name of card title, and now we will add a font size something like 22 pixels. So here we have um, make our heading something like larger, and then you can also customize them by adding some background images for something within the card, and you can also customize your sections. You can simply go to my SAS lecture series, so it will be very easy to understand SAS syntax and some fundamentals of about SAS. And you can also go to the grunt, and you can easily install the plugins by using your grunt SAS. And you can set up your project something like this. So that's all for now, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon for the latest updates. So see you guys in my next video.